Now I want you to breathe in and I want you to breathe out. Now, the main fact that you have the ability to do that, it's a blessing. So no matter what is going on in your life, always try to show gratitude and give thanks to God.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
As a rear wheel drive. Yeah, we can go home and so you also have your intimidating BMW kidney grille, LED headlights, fog lamps, 360 sensors. This is an M Sport package, so you get the M look. Alright, hence the body kit, the 98 M wheels, the upgraded M brake calipers, M badging on the side. Grab your door handle, unlock the car, press the finger here to lock the car. You have your roof rails up top, start with the handle. Dual exhaust, rear sensors, full LED tail light, spoiler up top, the kick strong. Tremendous amount of cargo space. You can also fold the second row for extra space. Have a little more under here. All your wheels are run flat, so just in case you get a puncture, you travel for a little over 80 kilometers. It's your grocery hook, 12-volt charging port. When you're done, swipe your foot. Voila. Now you have the comfort access on all four doors, so whichever door you grab will open for you. You have your twin AC vents back here. It's a triple zone climate control, so the persons in the back set their temperature different from the persons in the front. And you have your two USB Type-C ports. Tetragon aluminum trims extending all the way through. Premium M double stitch leather all the way through. There's a fabric and leather combination, so we strategically place a fabric where it would burn the person's back or bum.
Oh.
You have your twin isofix seats, right, on each side. Ambient lights all throughout, a total of 4 cup holders, and of course your curtain airbags, right, just in case of a side collision. So, up top you have the black headliner, right, blending into the rest of the cabin. Panoramic sunroof goes all the way back so that everyone gets to enjoy. You can open my trunk from here. I can close my trunk from here. Forward seats with memory, M racing steering wheel, premium triple stitch, paddle shifts, volume controls, radio controls, Bluetooth, voice command on the left. You can program my speed limit as well as use my cruise control. I have my dual climate control here. Full touchscreen interface. There's a taste of the reverse camera. Start right, left, push up away, go. So all of these spaces. I'm not sure if it will park between X6 and the road. I'm not sure. I drive this as closest one. Drive past the spot. Might pick it up. No. These are more solid.
Nine? Okay, that's it.
When it's done, it will show you parking itself facing out.
This technology school. Yeah, tell them Dorian.
I have one more trick up my sleeve.
You see it?
To show you the emergency braking at the back. That cool. So, we're going to take off the top of the brake.
Oh, need brake.
Yeah. Now I'm going to put in sport. Yeah. Completely different animal. If you want something to compete with that, you have to get the X3M, which makes that X6 tame. Yeah. And auto hold once more. Good to go.
What's the service on this now? About the service this one and the cost for service?
The same thing applies for all BMWs and Mini, no matter which one you purchase. You service once a year or every 12,000 kilometers, and you don't pay for anything on this car except for your tires.
Oh, good.
So there is no maintenance cost when you actually buy a brand new BMW. Yeah, we'll set this when we do the X6.
Yeah, but it's part maintenance, no maintenance for 3 years or something like that.
Yeah, for 3 years or 5 years, whichever one you decide to take.
Okay.
Even if you take the 2-year package, you can extend it to 5 years.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's always no maintenance.
No
I'm
maintenance
trying
cost.
to repeat it again because one of the issues that I had the last time that I struggled with was the maintenance cost. I was saying that the maintenance cost is actually about over 500,000 now.
No. That's if you buy a used BMW and you have to actually buy the parts. Because everybody knows that not just BMW but European price over paying for any other parts or labor. Brand new BMW.
That's even better.
Yeah, Dorian, what's the catch? You're on the inside, man. What's the catch? What's the other
I'm
trouble?
a customer.
Yeah.
So
So your car, you don't pay the services.
ever. I pay for my tires. That's it. So it's rear wheel drive, so you can feel it searching for the traction.
Yeah.
So when I bought my Kia,
Yeah.
my first service was free. Every time after that, I have to service it every 5,000 kilometers
Yeah.
or 6 months,
Right.
and I have roughly like a $40,000 bill.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm driving a faster, more expensive car right now, and I don't pay
Yeah.
for it. And my monthly payment is simply $20,000 more than what I was paying a month for my Kia.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
So
But you sent me back to the driveway now.
well,
Because that was one of the parts that I was a bit concerned.
that's what everybody's concerned. So imaginary, non-existent.
Yeah, because I thought I
objection.
heard it before. So when I said to you, what is the maintenance cost?
There's no maintenance
Servicing
cost.
Welcome to BMW.
Welcome to BMW.
Why do I need to go out to buy another car when I can get it?
Why?
Why not?
Get that block vibe. So nice. And then yeah, this is where
Boy.
you're going to drive me back. So what you would feel
Yeah.
as the equivalent of the 330i that we drove
Yeah.
is the X330i.
Oh.
This is a 20i.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not as aggressive.
That's crazy.
But the X330i, yeah
Yeah.
man, it would feel just like that 330i.
Yeah. Hmm? You know, this is relatively good.
Yeah. I noticed that the pedal, the gas, works, it's something I want to know what's that. Is it acknowledging my force on it or something?
What do you
Because
mean?
if it feels a little pulse when I apply the foot to the brake.
That's with every car. If you keep pumping the brakes, it's going to get tougher every time. So more
Oh.
brake fluid is flowing,
Yeah.
so you give you a sharper stop. So what you're going to do is hold the unlock, pull it down to drive, and then just press the gas. Good to go.
That way or turn?
Yeah man, you're going to go straight. Just press the gas. Press the gas. So you're going to turn left.
left.
And left again. I'm going to bring it back up the hill.
That's from your phone. I mean,
Come on, it's a BMW. I mean, oh, exactly. It actually has power.
Because I was thinking of the
X6 volume.
Yes, but I'm saying.
Bimmer. There's no such thing as a slow BMW.
Exactly.
They are faster and they are fast. Then you have Scary, which is our M line.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah.
And yes, we are going to carry this to Mobile.
Are you going to go left? 6 over that any day. Why? The thing handles like a BMW. Like you see how I drive. Yeah. And a BMW is a more
Yeah, professional driver, sir.
Well, I wouldn't say that. Not at all. No.
I only try to get from point A to point B.
I
like to do
it's
some
not the same with me. Except for that comfort. For me, it's like I want to get off the road as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I drive.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I don't mind being out there. I just like to be in comfort. There are times, most recently, I find myself attending a lot of online meetings, so therefore, I'm required to move from point A to point B still while having a meeting. So, if I can have a car that have the technology.
But we did that. This one has it too.
Right.
So it has CarPlay where you can literally respond to your WhatsApp messages with your words.
Yeah.
You'll type it out, send it to your recipient. When your recipient responds, the BMW will read it out to you, right? And you just literally keep having a full-blown conversation. You can have Zoom meetings in the car, right?
Oh, nice.
Like literally everything. Check your appointments for the rest of the day in the car. You're going to turn, right? Yeah.
Well, that's very good. You know what I have to do with my Honda? I have to
have your laptop in your lap and
I have to put the iPad right here.
oh my gosh.
And I'm having the online meeting. And yeah, man,
And then you
it
have
was
to
crazy.
unmute the mic by pressing it and all those stuff and muting it by.
Are you going to go left? No, I hate that. One thing I refuse to do, I won't say I can't do it,
Yeah.
but I don't multitask.
Yeah.
I
It's
agree
better
with
to
you.
put your focus in one
I
area.
agree with you.
I'm doing 2 tasks
Yeah.
and doing 40-30%.
Yeah.
You know, I'd rather delay. I'd prefer to delay, like just postpone.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, cancel one. I refuse to. I'd rather know, say, alright, cool. One task is a sure deal.
Yeah.
And the other task, even if I gave it up, I know I have a sure thing.
Yeah.
Versus to juggle both of them and say, boy, am I going to get any of these?
Yeah. And worrying if you're going to get it or
That's a
not.
lesson that I need to learn.
I learned it the hard way.
All my life I've been multitasking.
Oh, man.
Actually, I had to. Sometimes agenda is there, plus things that just pop up and you
Yeah.
have to deal with it right away.
It's all about prioritizing for me.
Yeah.
I'm like, which one is worth more? I push that one to the side, I go and deal with this. When I'm
Yeah.
done, I
That
go
one,
over to that one. I'm going to continue straight. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Seriously though, why? Just do design with it.
So you can, I think you might have to park it beside the exits.
Okay.
because I don't think it will read the cone as an obstacle.
Okay. Oh. Alright.
So always hold it on lock. That's it.
Whoa.
The X6 is a beast.
So there's exes were like, why is this guy coming so close?
It's a brother.
The weather is so bipolar today.
Yeah.
Like overcast, heavy rain, light rain, sun is out. I'm like, yo, what is going on? Yeah, and when you're done, you just press it P.
Okay.
That's you.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's pushable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing in all the cars.
The one that you know.
Yeah, every time you come here, I do one thing, man. That's it.
Fine to the BMW.
Make your next move your best move and make the rest of your life the best of your life. Peace.